Yes, that's recorded. Let's see what it did.
Now it's recording.
Hey, Peanut.
What do you think of your Christmas present?
Shall we get a shot of Walter? Oh, there's that big Walter. There's Walter's tail. Yep. Little kitty's moving his tail. Walter. Walter's a big kitty. And Peanut's a crybaby. Yeah. I told you, Peanut. When you were mean to Joshua the other day. Didn't I tell you? Yeah. You got on Joshua's head. Yeah. Over there slapping Josh on top of her head. Growling. Uh-huh. Yep. And didn't I tell you? I told you. Santa was watching. And now Santa brought you a cat. Yeah, Santa Claus brought you a kitty cat. What do you think of that?